Alright. There it is. Look at how that killer hogs rub. Man, makes those whole spare ribs, baby rack shiny. Alright. So, I'm probably going to be doing the 3-1-1 method on here. So 3 hours smoked, 1 hour wrapped, 1 hour unwrapped. And then I will be glazing the baby back ribs with some Texas pepper jelly rib candy. Yeah. So, let's get to cooking. That temp's going down. You see I have my wood splitter here to keep it warm. It's gonna help light up quicker. Yeah. It's done with. Let's toss that in there. Get it going. Yeah. And I just love the way it smells. It's starting to pick up now. There you go. See? See, it helps to put your wood on top of your smoker, your firebox. So the catch, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, well, I'm going to continue on. Alright, I'm going to switch spots on there, but look at that. Pretty good. Let me just move it. Turn this one around. Just like that. That'll work like that. And I'm not gonna spritz, I'm gonna let it stay like that. I want the rub to, you know, stick on there. But eventually I will spritz, but for right now, just let it go. Yep, look at that fire. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See how they coming along? Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Bark is set, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spritz them up. But yeah. Beautiful. Let's close it up. Oh yeah. We cooking. Alright. Got some chicken halves right here. Yep. So next one right there. There's another one right there. All right, looking good. That sunlight don't help for nothing, huh? But yeah, they're ready to roll. Ready to rock and roll. So let's get to it. Alright, I'm not gonna put nothing in there. You can do the whole brown sugar, honey, if you want in there. But I'm just gonna wrap it up like that. Yep. Put some more wood splits on. Looking good, looking good. Yeah. Also looking good. As you can see, the whole spare ribs, I just left them like that. I didn't wrap them. Baby backs, wrapped. Yeah. Doesn't that look beautiful? A whole Highland smoker full of food. Yeah. The chickens, they're almost getting there. These two right here were here close to the firebox, but they're reading close to 140 on the breast, so I flipped them. These were reading close to 120, so I put them on here so they can cook kind of almost evenly, get to when we get to the end. Oh yeah, so let's close it up and let's continue on. I'm gonna take the baby back ribs off, and I'm gonna unwrap them. They've been in there for about an hour, so I'm good with that. All right, you ready? Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice pullback on the bone on that side as well. Gotta be gentle. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Man, I'm ready to eat. All right, back on, and then let it continue on to cook for about another hour. Before I get to that hour, I'm gonna sauce them up with the Texas pepper jelly, rib candy. All right, I got that rib candy, Texas pepper jelly. Let's get it all on the baby backs. Yeah. Just like that. Let's paint it on, right? Yeah. Paint it on. Let's get some more on there. Yeah, just like that. All right, I'm gonna let it chill out like that for a bit, and then I'm gonna take them off. All right, well, folks, gotta tell you, food is done. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yep. So on the ribs, I did the 3-1-1 method. 3 hours unwrapped, 1 hour wrapped, and 1 hour unwrapped, which was on the baby backs, I'm sorry. On the full spare ribs, I just left it alone, just like that. And the baby backs, they're the only ones that I did the rib candy on, Texas pepper jelly. Yeah, that's done. So yeah, this is so far the most I've ever cooked on the smoker right here. Oh, this delicious food. Well, I gotta head out. I gotta let some of this cool down for a bit, slice into the ribs. This cook right here is done for my family, my in-laws. So it's time to eat. So thank you for stopping by. As always, folks, smoke on, everyone.